Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore expense categorization with Expensify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore expense categorization in Expensify, start by logging into your account. Navigate to the expenses section from the main dashboard. Locate the expense you want to categorize. Click on the expense to open its detailed view. Find the category field within the expense details. If the field is not visible, click on the Edit button to enable it. From the category field, select the appropriate category from the drop-down menu. If you need to create a new category, click on Add New Category at the bottom of the list. Enter the name for the new category and confirm the addition. Once you have the correct category selected, save your changes. You may repeat these steps for any additional expenses that require categorization. To view your categorized expenses, return to the Expenses section. Use filters to see your expenses by category for better organization. Review your categorized expenses to ensure accuracy. If any corrections are needed, simply repeat the editing process. Regularly categorizing your expenses can simplify your reporting process. Remember to check your categories periodically to maintain organization over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.